Unlock the power of your crypto by seamlessly transferring it from your SafePal wallet directly into your bank account. First, open your SafePal Wallet app Ensure on the home screen, where you can see your asset balances to begin the withdrawal process. You'll typically need to select the specific cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw for this demonstration. Let's say we're withdrawing Bitcoin. Tap on the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. This will take you to the Assets Details page here. You'll find several options. Look for and select the Send or Withdraw option. Now, you'll need to decide where to send your crypto since we're aiming for a bank transfer. You'll need to connect to a service that bridges crypto and traditional finance. SafePal often integrates with various crypto-to-fiat exchange partners, accessible directly within the app. Look for an option like Sell Crypto or Trade P2P that allows for bank transfers. Tap on the relevant option to initiate the sell process. Here, you'll be prompted to choose your fiat currency, which is the currency of your bank account. For example, USD, AUR, or GBP. Next, you'll enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to sell. You can input the exact amount or select a percentage of your holdings. The app will instantly display the estimated fiat value you'll receive. Now comes a crucial step: selecting your payout method. This is where you connect your bank account. You'll likely see an option to add a new bank account or select a previously saved one. Follow the on-screen prompts to securely link your bank details. Once your bank account is selected, you'll see a confirmation screen summarizing the transaction. This includes the amount of crypto being sold, the fiat amount you'll receive, and any associated fees. Carefully review all the details. To finalize, you'll need to provide any required verification or authorization. This could be your SafePal wallet password, a PIN, or biometric authentication. Once confirmed, your crypto will be processed for sale, and the fiat equivalent will be sent to your linked bank account. The time it takes for funds to appear in your bank account can vary depending on the exchange partner and your bank's processing times. You'll typically receive a notification within the SafePal app or via email once the transfer is complete and your funds are on their way.